Just checking in. This is Sunshine State Garden. Give y'all a glimpse of the babies today. It's Wednesday the 22nd. And just give y'all a quick update. You see these tomatoes are growing out of control. And it's super dry, so gotta get that water on them. Tomatoes getting big, as you can see. This ain't gonna be a long video because got a lot of other stuff to do. It's the rose bush. That rose is already kind of dying when we got it. Some of these we got from the store, like that red one, blueberries. A lot of these we got from the store, but the babies you see we started from seed. Strawberries we didn't start from seed, but like those we started from seed. The sunflowers, you see them sunflowers, about time for them to get transplanted. Let me show y'all them real quick so y'all can see. This is what I'm talking about when we need to transplant them. So we got 3 in this pot. Remember the last time we had 2. And the funny thing is that small one was actually standing in the paint, but I guess the last day or 2 and then failed, so it's probably over for that. Of course, we gotta get these transplanted. Ooh. Let me show these. These are the things that Babe planted that last time y'all see me on the video. So those are going really good. Yeah. And we got the mint. We got all type of stuff. The sunflower. Lavender looking good. It's still looking yellow, so we'll probably put some food in there soon. It's kind of dry too. But I'm trying to give y'all a shot of what these look like before we water them. And when we put water on them, you'll see how they start perking up. Yeah, I'm giving y'all a good shot. These are the big tomatoes here. We might have to do something with these. I kind of like having tomatoes in their own pots. This right here is that lemon balm. Smell like lemon head. Oh my God, it smells so good. Bacon needs watered up. As you can see, they need some water. They are super dry. Unfortunately, I used some old dirt I had from back a while back, and it was used dirt used for indoor plants. In a few minutes, these tomatoes gonna be perking up. Yep. They're getting all of everything. What these is, the green onions right here? Look how big they is. Oh my gosh, they look so pretty. And they smell so good. Oh my God, they smell so good. Yeah, May still watering everything. These gonna start perking up soon. The mint perking up real nice from y'all last seen it. All right. The mint looking good. It smells so good. Ooh. Oh my God, it smells just like gum. Oh, it's actually strong. Damn. Wow, it smells like experiment gum. What is it? Double mint? Double mint gum? There you go. They're getting them right. Lavender looking pretty as ever. Smelling good. Just giving y'all a quick update. Baking everything watered. Oh, that mint smells good. Just showing y'all some of that potato growth. See the potato? Oh wow, there go another one.
Yeah, but I think I messed up because they're supposed to be in the bottom.
Alright, I'm trying to give y'all a quick shot of everything real quick. This is the stuff Babe planted. What is this again, Babe? Tulip? Tulip that she planted. You got the lavender just got watered. Got both mints, rosemary, the sunflowers, aloe, blueberries. Still gotta get y'all information on that. That's a type of rose bush. I don't know. Got strawberries. I don't know what that is. I forgot what that was. Got sunflowers over there. Tomatoes, potatoes, more tomatoes, sour salt. You said it's the lemon balm. This is one of my favorites. This smells just like lemon head. just like a lemon head. What's going on here?
What?
We need to transplant this or what?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh,
Oh.
y'all, this is ready. Look at the roots coming out. See, we got it in this dirt, so that's why it's able to reach through and keep growing like that. Usually, it'll just keep bouncing back up in the cup, but since it feel that dirt underneath is going in there. Potatoes. All right, looking good. Look at them green onions. Green onions smell so good. And y'all remember last time I showed them, maybe not last time, but a few videos ago, y'all see them snips when she cut them. I can see how much it done growed since then. Today, Wednesday the 22nd, April 22nd. Alright, just giving y'all a quick update. Just signing off. We'll holler at y'all later. What's going on, y'all? Just give y'all a quick update on the tomatoes. This is probably like an hour after watering. I know you remember seeing the tomatoes droopy. Tomatoes and the sunflowers are standing up, perking. I know you thought the sunflowers was dead, but they not. Just gotta water them. Water them before they die. So we're gonna keep them watered. And you can see these are the same tomatoes. Looking good, standing up, perking. Just wanted to show y'all. Just water them when you can. If they droopy like they was, you still got a chance. Just hurry up and get some water on them. You see both the sunflower and the tomato. Alright, just giving y'all a little quick update. Until next time, I'll holler at y'all later.